How to fix Discord not opening in Windows 11. In this video I give you 4 steps to solve this problem. If the first solution does not fit for you, please follow the next steps until you find the one that works for you. Let's start. Step 1. Delete cache data. Click on the start menu and search for run. Then tap on the run icon. After that, type %, app data, %, and press enter. Here you should find a folder called Discord. If we double click on that folder, we must delete 3 folders in here. Select the folder cache, code cache, and GPU cache. To delete them, just right click and then delete, or press the delete button on your keyboard. If you get an error message that you can't delete the folders, it just means that Discord is still running in the background, so we must close Discord completely to delete the folders. You close Discord correctly by pressing and holding Ctrl+Alt and then pressing delete. A window is popping up and here you should click on the task manager. After opening the task manager and inside the search bar up here, we are typing Discord to find all processes currently running on your PC which is related to Discord. Right click on the Discord process and click on End Task to close Discord completely. Then we can go back to the 3 folders we want to delete. Select again cache, code cache and GPU cache, and now you can delete them successfully. Don't worry about these 3 folders because they will be regenerated after we open Discord again. If this didn't solve your problem, let's try step 2. Run Discord as an administrator. Go to your desktop, right click on your Discord icon and click on Properties. Then click on the tab Compatibility. Make sure that Disable Full Screen Optimization and Run this program as administrator is selected and enabled. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. If Discord is still not opening, we need to try step 3. Check the system. It means we need to check if there's any missing or damaged files which are creating our problem. Go to the Start menu and type in CMD into the search bar. Right click on the command prompt and run it as an administrator. Inside the black command prompt window we typing sfc /scan now and press enter. It can take a few minutes to scan the system about missing or damaged files. After finishing we are going to check if the firewall is blocking Discord from opening. We can do this by clicking on the start menu, type and search Windows Defender Firewall. After opening the Windows Defender Firewall, we click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall on the left side. Then click on Change Settings to be able for further editing. After this, click on Allow another app, select Browse and find the Discord app. If you don't know the file location, just go back to your desktop, right click on the Discord icon and then select Open File Location. We can now copy and paste the file location. Copy, then go back to Allow another app, browse and paste the file location. Now all you need to do is select the update file and click on add. Make sure that private and public is selected and press OK to save everything. This way you are letting Discord not being stopped by the Windows firewall. If you came to this point, tried every past step and it's still not working, the final step is to remove the app completely and reinstall it. Type programs into the search bar and click on add and remove programs. Find Discord in this list. Click on the 3 dots and uninstall Discord. On discord.com you can download and install Discord again. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.